My name is Ryan O'Neill Knight, the founder of Detailing Nights, your mobile waterless car cleaning company. The Detailing Nights are here in Durham, bringing the community out one car wash at a time.
We're just out here supporting community and letting people know to come through today and to make sure that you're supporting it either by a canned goods or bring your car and you can see over there, get it washed.
When I came in, it definitely needed some care. We haven't touched it since a few weeks now.
Together, we fight food shortages and help put food on the table of families in need.
But I'm looking at the other cars and they look great. Come out, support Detailing Nights next week in Markham and support the community and the young people. Let's encourage them.
So your donation not only helps us teach young entrepreneurs how to start their own business and learn how to clean cars and provide a quality service, it actually supports local initiatives like the Durham Community Action Group, Food Bank, and even local hockey teams and basketball teams like the Markham Waxers, that our next event is up in Markham to support them.
Thank you to Detailing Nights for doing such a fantastic job on my car. And it's sparkling clean.
Your support goes beyond clean cars. It supports dignity, hope, and building the community. Because each shine actually feeds the dignity and leadership skills in our community. From the first spray to the final shine, every detail makes a difference. Clean cars feed the community. Thank you for making today a success, and we're looking forward to seeing you at the next car wash fundraiser. Go to our website, www.detailingnights.ca, to see when the next event is, and thank you for the support.